What's good, YouTube, man? We back for another video today, man. Yo, it's been a long time, bro. I made a video, I ain't gonna lie, because last week I was sick. I'm still sick though, but I decided today I'm gonna bring that content for y'all. Today I'm heading to the garage right now. I gotta do the tint, my headlights and my tail light tint today. Gotta get it done today. So yeah, recently, bro, I gotta like in the next few days, I think, or like next week, I'm gonna make a video about the meet, because the meet already started. Like last week I went to like two meets, like a car meet. I mean, I went to two of them. And I didn't record at all, you know, because I was sick and I was just trying to, like, that was still cold out here, so I was just trying to stay warm, you know. I wasn't even trying to record and nothing. So yeah, so today we're gonna get the headlight tint done. What next for the car after, I don't know, because I'm not gonna lie, like, I think I'm gonna take a break to just putting stuff on my car, be spending too much. And yeah, bro, why he blocking the whole, that's what I was saying, bro. Like, bro, why this nigga blocking the whole thing, the whole left lane? There's really nobody in front. Like, what? I don't understand these people. But yeah, hopefully the thing's gonna get done today. But it should be done today. Yeah, the weather actually good this week. We got like 10 degrees today. No more what's it called? Shit, I forgot the word. What's no more damn, I forgot the fucking word, bro. Like, shit. Snow. No more snow? Yeah, what the fuck? I've been trying to find this word for like years. So, no more snow. It's officially over. Yeah, it's officially over, y'all. So it's time to, like, getting ready for the summer. So I got a few things I gotta get it done. Like, I gotta clean up the car, you know, like, you see, my shit is still dirty because of the snow and everything. So I gotta get it cleaning up. I will go see my guy, Dags. He gonna do it for me. I actually gotta get the whole car clean, like the whole interior clean, you know. The whole interior gotta get clean, man. So yeah. I'm really excited for the summer, like, you know, like when we get like 20 degrees and everything. I'm really excited to see those temperatures and everything. And yeah, you see, the sky is blue though, you know. That's a little traffic and stuff, but the sky is blue, man. The sky is blue, bro. Motherfucker gonna take too much time, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, put yourself on the fucking middle, bro. Oh shit. You see how this motherfucker, bro? That's why I'm saying, be careful on the fucking roads, bro. Those big fucking truck, bro, they don't even know how to drive, bro. For real, dead ass, bro. Like, yeah, I gotta be careful on this fucking truck, bro. They don't know how to fucking drive, bro. Fucking retarded, bro. Bro, it's crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm really excited to see the tents, though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm really excited to see the tents, bro. Really excited to see the tents. Always a traffic, bro. Always. Oh shit. Always a fucking traffic, bro. Always. Like, shit make no sense. So yeah, so this summer, I ain't gonna lie, my plans for this summer is gonna be, I'm gonna try to spend less money this summer, because in the summer is the summer, Excuse me. Y'all know it's the summer is the summer, You gotta be outside like all the time. Most of the time, you gotta be outside and everything. But yeah. Yeah. So what the fuck? My GPS just froze, I think. It's crazy. My shit just froze. Whatever. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna try to spend less money, bro. Summer, I ain't gonna lie. I got three more things I gotta do on my car, and for real, actually, after that, I'm done, guys. I'm telling y'all, no bullshit. After those things, I'm done forever. I'll be done forever, y'all. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get to the garage, y'all. My GPS really froze, bro. What the fuck? It's crazy. It's crazy. Look at the traffic, y'all. Look at this traffic. Look at this traffic. Shit crazy. Look at this. It's crazy, y'all. It's real for real. But at least we got a good weather and everything, so that's a W, I guess. That's a W, y'all. Yes, sir. Yeah, I gotta turn too. Oh, actually, no, I don't need to. Motherfucking think they're smart. Stupid motherfuckers. Alright, y'all, so. What? I just heard a pop. I think that was the big truck. Okay, whatever. Alright, gang, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get to the garage, or I'm gonna get back to you after the headlight tint is done. So I'm gonna catch y'all later, y'all. Alright, guys, so I just came back to the shop. The front headlight is done. I can see. It's really yuck. It's really good though. It's really good. So now I'm about to do the rear too. About to do the rear too right now. See, so I didn't, yeah. But it's gonna be nice though. It's gonna be nice though. Hold on, let me get my thumbnail. I know I like getting my thumbnail. Should I get my thumbnail like this? Or like that? Oh yeah, I like that. So I just get my thumbnail like that. Like that. Yeah, got a thumbnail, gang. Got a thumbnail. So yeah. Let me show y'all one more time. The front again. And I'm gonna show y'all the result after everything is done. Ooh, look at this, guys. We back in business, gang. Back in business, gang. So we're gonna wait to do the tail light. And I'm gonna get back to you right now.
Personally, I would personally want to just fucking do the job anyway. Because I'm not a fucking half-ass motherfucker. And this is the guy's fucking, this, like his daughter bought this brand new, she died of cancer. Like this guy outlived his daughter. So I don't want him to have to come back for the same problem. You know what I mean? 100%. So we're gonna fucking do it right. We're gonna say, we could have stopped and tried to save you a couple of bucks.
Yes, sir.
Trying to save you a couple of bucks, we may have actually
got a truck hog right here.
A fuck ton
Got a Jeep SRT right here. Red Brembos. Red Brembos. We got a Trikey. I fly Bobby, you know the vibes. Go follow my boy. Fat Hawk, you know what I'm saying? Shit, that shit smell bad. Damn. Yellow Brembos. Truck Supercharge. To working on this bad boy right here. And I'm gonna get back to y'all. Nah, not yet.
You know when you monetize them, they'll work on my shit.
Okay. That's it. I just want to record how he's.
I'm gonna switch the paper for the next one.
Looking good. It's looking good, guys. Yeah, it's looking good.
This is how you do it.
Yeah.
That looks pretty tough, bro, eh? Yeah.
Yeah?
And now we wait. Ah no, man, the coulisses. Là. Il faut prendre des photos des coulisses.
Did you make the shape the red light like that?
Well, he wanted that.
Oh yeah, like this?
Yeah.
That's cool.
So if I can... Comment c'est ça? C'est bleu, man.